Imagine taking a simple idea and transforming it into a viral masterpiece that captivates audiences and racks up views, all without spending endless hours brainstorming or creating from scratch. With the power of AI, the once complicated process of content creation is now faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. We'll start by discussing what AI-generated content is and how it works, giving you a solid foundation to understand its potential. Then, we'll share tips and strategies for using AI tools to enhance your creativity and streamline your content creation process. Whether you're a seasoned marketer, a budding influencer, or simply someone passionate about storytelling, mastering AI content creation can significantly boost your chances of going viral. As we navigate through this topic, we'll highlight real-world examples of successful AI-generated content and the impact it has had on audience engagement. By the end of this video, you'll not only grasp the significance of AI in content creation, but also feel empowered to harness its capabilities for your own viral success. So let's dive in. Understanding AI-generated content. AI-generated content refers to any material created with the assistance of artificial intelligence technologies. In today's digital landscape where content is king, the relevance of AI-generated content cannot be overstated. It allows creators to produce high-quality material quickly and efficiently, catering to the ever-increasing demand for fresh and engaging content. There are various forms of AI-generated content, including text, images, and videos. Text-based content can range from articles and blog posts to social media updates and marketing copy, all generated by sophisticated algorithms that understand language patterns. On the visual side, AI tools can create stunning images, graphics, and even artwork, enabling designers to explore new creative avenues. Additionally, AI can assist in video production, generating scripts, editing footage, and even creating animations, making it easier for creators to produce compelling video content. By leveraging AI tools, content creators can enhance their creativity and efficiency. These technologies can analyze trends, suggest topics, and even optimize content for search engines, allowing creators to focus on their unique voice and vision. In essence, AI-generated content is revolutionizing the way we create and consume media, making it an invaluable asset in the modern content landscape. Generating ideas with AI. In the quest for fresh content ideas, AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper have emerged as invaluable resources for brainstorming. These platforms utilize advanced algorithms to generate a wide array of ideas based on your input, making it easier than ever to kickstart your creative process. By simply entering a topic or a few keywords, you can receive a multitude of suggestions that can inspire your next blog post, video, or social media campaign. Once you have a list of generated ideas, the next step is to refine and select the best ones for your audience. Consider factors such as relevance, engagement potential, and alignment with your brand voice. It can be helpful to create a scoring system or use audience feedback to narrow down your options. Don't hesitate to experiment with different prompts when using AI tools. The more specific and varied your prompts, the more unique and tailored the ideas will be. For instance, try asking for ideas in different formats, such as listicles, how-to guides, or storytelling approaches. This experimentation can unlock new creative potential and lead to content that resonates deeply with your audience. Embrace the power of AI in your brainstorming sessions and watch your content ideas flourish. Crafting compelling content. Creating engaging and high-quality content using AI involves a blend of creativity and strategic thinking. One of the most crucial elements to emphasize is storytelling. Even when using AI-generated content, weaving a compelling narrative can captivate your audience and make your message resonate. Start by identifying the core message you want to convey and build a story around it, ensuring that it connects emotionally with your viewers. Best practices for structuring your content are essential for maintaining viewer interest. Begin with a strong hook that grabs attention, followed by a clear introduction that outlines what the audience can expect. Use subheadings and bullet points to break up text and make it more digestible. Incorporating visuals such as images or infographics can also enhance engagement and support your narrative. Finally, never underestimate the importance of editing and refining AI output. While AI can generate impressive content, it often requires a human touch to ensure clarity and impact. Review the generated material for coherence, grammar, and flow, making adjustments as needed. This process not only enhances the quality of the content, but also ensures that it aligns with your unique voice and style. By combining storytelling, effective structure, and careful editing, you can create compelling content that truly stands out. Optimizing for virality. To enhance the chances of your content going viral, it's essential to implement effective strategies that resonate with your audience. One of the most significant factors is the role of SEO and keywords in AI-generated content. By conducting thorough keyword research, you can identify terms and phrases that your target audience is actively searching for. Incorporating these keywords naturally into your content not only improves its visibility on search engines, but also ensures that it aligns with what users want to find. Another key strategy is to explore social media trends to inform your content creation. Keeping an eye on trending topics, hashtags, and challenges can provide inspiration and help you create timely, relevant content that captures attention. Engaging with these trends can also increase the likelihood of your content being shared across platforms, further boosting its viral potential. Additionally, collaborating with influencers can significantly amplify your reach and engagement. Influencers have established audiences that trust their recommendations, making them powerful allies in promoting your content. By partnering with influencers who align with your brand values, you can tap into their follower base and enhance your content's credibility. Together, these strategies can create a robust framework for optimizing your content for virality, increasing its chances of reaching a wider audience. Analyzing performance. Measuring the success of AI-generated content is crucial for understanding its impact and refining your content strategy. To effectively gauge performance, it's important to track key metrics such as views, shares, and engagement rates. Views indicate how many people have seen your content, while shares reflect its virality and reach. Engagement rates, which include likes, comments, and interactions, provide insight into how well your audience is connecting with your material. To analyze content performance, tools like Google Analytics are invaluable. This platform allows you to monitor traffic sources, user behavior, and demographic information, giving you a comprehensive view of how your content is performing. Additionally, social media analytics tools can help you track engagement metrics across various platforms, enabling you to see which content resonates most with your audience. Encouraging iterative improvement based on performance data and audience feedback is essential for long-term success. Regularly review your metrics to identify trends and areas for enhancement. Pay attention to audience comments and suggestions, as they can provide valuable insights into what your viewers appreciate or want to see more of. By continuously refining your approach based on data and feedback, you can optimize your AI-generated content for better performance and greater audience satisfaction. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored the essential strategies for mastering AI-generated content, highlighting its significance in today's fast-paced digital landscape. We discussed how to generate creative ideas using AI tools, craft compelling narratives, and optimize your content for virality. By focusing on storytelling, effective structuring, and the importance of SEO, you can create engaging material that resonates with your audience. We also emphasize the need for continuous learning and adaptation in content creation. The digital world is ever evolving, and staying updated with the latest trends, tools, and audience preferences is crucial for maintaining relevance. By regularly analyzing performance metrics and incorporating audience feedback, you can refine your approach and enhance the quality of your content over time. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to engage with us. Please subscribe to our channel for more insights on AI-generated content and digital marketing strategies. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Your support helps us create more valuable content and fosters a community of creators eager to learn and grow together. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.